Hello everyone, have you ever tasted chicken donuts? Yes, donuts normally I think you have tasted sweet with chocolate sauce on top of it, but this chicken nuggets is totally different and it's truly yummy and tasty and delicious also. So, isn't it tempting? Why late? Let us start. Here I have taken a medium sized onion and chopped, and also 6 long green chilies. I have slit into pieces, and I have taken 2 medium sized boiled potatoes, and again I have taken 4 garlic pods and a little bit of ginger. I have chopped it, and then I have taken 500 grams of chicken breast. Please remember this, for this process, for this recipe, you need only boneless chicken. So here I have taken 500 grams of chicken breast, and I have washed it thoroughly and then cut into small cubes. For this recipe, if you're a spice lover, you can add the garam masala, ginger garlic paste, and also the red chili flakes also. So please remember, and you can add accordingly. So put it aside and then take a mixing bowl and add all the cut pieces of chicken into it, and then boiled potatoes medium sized, and then onions and chilies, and also garlic and ginger, and salt to taste. You have to adjust your salt right now at this point only, because later you just can't add if it becomes lesser. So remember this and add accordingly, and then add all the ingredients into the blender and blend it nicely into a fine paste like this. So that's it, our chicken donut paste is ready. So let us see what to do next. Take a tray and add a butter paper on top of it. If you're not having this, you can take a big plate, and then you can continue with the process. Now for the piping bag, I have taken here piping bag. If you don't have piping bag, you can take any milk packet or else any chana dal or urad dal packet, and then you empty those ingredients, and then you can add this paste into it, and you can continue with the process. So here I have added all the chicken paste into the piping bag. See, you need to fill it till the neck, so just check this, and then take this tray and cut it at the starting point. So now start making donut shape circles. So starting I have done like this. So my husband came and asked me, are you preparing ring muruku or chakodis or chagodilu? So even I got that doubt. So again I have removed them. So with the help of the scissors, I have again cut the starting point of the piping bag, and then I have again done it. If you want in circular shape, you can place a little small water bottle cap in the middle, and then again you can with the help of the piping bag, you can just put it around, so you can get perfect donut shape like this. And then you need to freeze those donuts for 1 hour straight in the deep fridge. Remember, at least for 1 hour you need to do it, and then after freezing it for 1 hour, take it out and first coat it in the maida as I have shown here, and then in the egg wash. Like, you need to here I have taken 2 eggs and I have beaten thoroughly, and then after dipping it in the egg thoroughly, you need to dip them in the breadcrumbs. That's it. First you have to do it in a maida or all purpose flour, and then in the egg, and then in the breadcrumbs. So repeat this for all the donuts you have prepared like this, and then preheat the oil in the tawa, not deep fry, just the shallow fry only. So like this. First I have given a trial for one. So what I have learned is, do not put it in a high flame and cook it, because there is a chance you can burnt on the outer side and the chicken won't cook in the inner side. And also dust properly all the excess breadcrumbs and then dip it in the oil. That's it. It's so simple. See, my donuts are ready. They are so yummy. At the same time, they are tasty, and they are truly finger licking, I must tell you, because they are crunchy on the outer side and soft and juicy on the inner side. The chicken on the inner side is so soft. So all you need to remember is, you need to adjust the salt at the first time, and also Your chicken paste should not be too pouring. Do not add water, just blend it directly. And also your donut shape should be perfect. I have told you tips how to do it. And also see how juicy it is in the middle. That's it, you can enjoy it like this. And also remember, you should not fry them on high flame. Just remember, you have to preheat the oil, but fry it in a lower flame only. So here I have served with green chutney, cheese dip and ketchup also. You too try this and let me know how it turned to you. So enjoy this chicken donuts. Bye bye.